Okay, we have seen the basic logic gates. That is, we have seen the details of AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. Now we are going to learn about the universal logic gates. So first see what are the universal logic gates. So there are two logic gates, namely NAND and NOR are called the universal logic gates. There is a reason behind this because the speciality of this universal logic gates is that it can produce all other gates including the basic logic gates. When it comes to the economical terms, NAND and NOR are easier to produce. So there are two basic reasons why NAND and NOR are called the universal gates. The reason is, the first one is that universal logic gates, it is used to produce any other logic gates. Any other means including the basic logic gates, it can produce all other logic gates. Okay, and the second reason is that in terms of economical use, NAND and NOR are easier to produce, or we can say cheap to produce. So for these reasons, because of these reasons, NAND and NOR are called the universal logic gates. Here you can see the details of a NAND gate. So NAND gate, as we know, it belongs to the universal gate. NAND gate is a combination of, or we can say it is a combination circuit of a NOT gate and a AND gate. So it is a combination of NOT and AND gates. So it is commonly used in logic functions. In the case of output, we can say it produces 1 as output if any of the input are zeros. If any of the inputs are zeros, then it produces a 1. Okay, here you can see the logic gate of a NAND gate. So logic gate symbol of a NAND gate. So the representation is, you can see that A and B are the two input lines. It produces an output Y is equal to A dot B the whole bar. That is the negation of A dot B. So here you can see that we already learned that NAND is the combination of NOT gate and AND gate. So in the first diagram you can see it includes the AND gate and a bubble. That bubble is from the NOT gate. So NAND gate, you can clearly see that it is a combination of NOT and AND gate. In the second diagram, it is a simplified version where we are representing an AND gate and a NOT gate separately. So when we draw the diagram of an AND gate, we use the first diagram, that is the combinational circuit we are using. A and B are two input lines. It produces output Y is equal to A dot B the whole bar. Okay. Okay, here you can see the truth table of a NAND gate. Here we have the two variable NAND gate. A and B are the two input variables and Y is the output variable. So here you can see that it produces 1 in the output in all cases except when A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. So when we refer the previous definition of that NAND gate, it produces 1 output when any of the inputs are zeros. Okay, so when any of the inputs are zeros, then it produces a 1. Okay, So our next gate is NOR gate. This is also a combinational circuit. Combination circuit means it contains more than one basic logic gate. So NOR gate also is a combinational logic gate. It contains OR gate and NOT gate. So it produces a 1 in the truth table when both inputs are zeros. So when both inputs or when all the inputs are zeros, then only it produces a 1. Actually it is a negation of OR, right? NOR means it is the negation of OR gate. NAND means it is the negation of AND gate. Okay, here you can see the diagram of a NOR gate. The diagram here you can see that it is quite similar to the OR gate. The difference is that it has got a bubble at the tip of that OR gate. So NOR gate looks like an OR gate, except it contains a bubble at the tip of that gate. Actually it is a combination of OR gate with a NOT gate. So here you can see that NOR gate is the negation of an OR gate. NOR gate is the negation of an OR gate. Okay, here you can see the truth table for a 2-input NOR gate. So it is clearly, you can say, NOR gate is the negation of an OR gate. It produces 1 when both values are zeros. So in the case of an OR gate, it produces 1 if all the input values are zeros. Okay. So the next combinational circuit or the next logic gates are exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gates. So exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gates. In the case of an exclusive OR gate, it produces 1 only if both inputs are different, and in the case of an exclusive NOR gate, it produces 1 when both inputs are the same. Exclusive NOR is the negation or the complement of the XOR gate. So another easier way of understanding the XOR gate and XNOR gate, you can see in the case of an XOR gate, it produces 1 in the output if there is an odd number of 1s in the truth table. In the case of XNOR, it produces 1 if there is an even number of 1s in the truth table input values. This is the logic gate symbol of an exclusive OR gates. Please see the symbolic representation. This is for the exclusive OR gate. Please refer the textbook and read the topics under the exclusive OR gate. Okay, the symbolic representation, you can see that y is equal to a plus in that circle, a plus b, a XOR b. So the symbolic representation also you can note down. Okay, here you can see the truth table for an exclusive OR gate. In the case of an exclusive OR gate, you can see that it produces 1 for an odd number of 1s. So here you can see that 0 1 it produces a 1 and 1 0 it produces a 1. So when there are odd number of 1s in the truth table or input values, it produces 1. In all other cases, it will be 0. Okay, here you can see the logic gate of an exclusive NOR gate. So that is XNOR gate. The symbolic representation, you can see that y is equal to a dot in a circle b. So it can be read as XNOR a XNOR b. So here you can see the truth table for an exclusive NOR gate. In the case of an exclusive NOR gate, it produces 1 for even number of ones. So you can see that 0 0 it produces a 1, and 1 1 also it produces 1. So for even number of ones it produces 1. Okay students, here you can see the summary of what we have learned today. Today we learned about basic logic gates, that is AND, OR gate and NOT gate. So three basic logic gates are there: AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Then we discussed about the NAND gate and NOR gate. NAND and NOR gates are called the universal gates. Then we discussed about exclusive OR gate and exclusive NOR gates. Okay.